Today we learn about accounts from incomplete records. Accounts from incomplete records. Incomplete records are single entry system. Single entry system. What is meant by accounts from incomplete records? Under this method, only one side of the transaction recorded instead of the two expected is known as a accounts from incomplete records. In this system, only one side transaction recorded instead of two aspects is known as single entry system. Single entry system. In this system, only maintain personal account and cash book. In this system, only maintain personal account and cash book. Totally avoid real and nominal account. Totally avoid real and nominal account is known as a accounts from incomplete records. Accounts from incomplete records. Incomplete records. Clear? What is account from incomplete record? In this system, only one side transaction recorded instead of the two aspects. Instead of the two aspect is known as a single entry system. In this system, only maintained personal account and cash book. Totally avoid in this system real and nominal account is known as a accounts from incomplete records. Next, definitions. 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 First definition, author Coiler defined a single entry system is a system of a bookkeeping only maintained in this method personal and cash book. Personal and cash book is known as a single entry system and any other circumstances. In this system of bookkeeping, in this system of bookkeeping, only maintain personal personal account and cash book. Definition of folder. Next, another definition defined author Hrishikesh Chakravarti. Hrishikesh Chakravarti. Hrishikesh Chakravarti. In this system, a mixer of a double entry system and single entry system and no entry. In this system, a mixer of double entry system. A mixer of double entry system and single entry system, and no entry. This type of a definition, double entry system. Double means dual accept role. First one debit, another one credit. Any other some transaction regarding the both the side. And single entry system, some transaction regarding the one side. And finally, no entry. Like no entry, it is not recording any books of accounts. Like generally, example of the depreciation of machinery is not recorded in any books. It is known as totally single entry system. This definition provides the Hrishikesh Chakravarti. First one, what is incomplete records? Definitions. And next, usage of single entry system. Okay, next, usage of accounts from incomplete records. Or what a single entry system. Usage is nothing but advantages of the single entry system. First point, in this system, recording the transaction systematically, or simply recording of transaction. In this system, simply recording of transaction, transactions. Now second point, less expensive when compared to double entry system. Less expensive when compared to double entry system. Less expensive when compared to double entry system. Next, third point, it is suitable only it is suitable only small business concern. Small business concern. Small business concern. Next point, ascertainment of profit or loss. Ascertainment of profit or loss. That is usage of accounts from incomplete records or single entry system. In exam point of view, any 2 points uses of accounts from incomplete records. Like first one, in the system, simple recording of transaction, less expensive when compared to the double entry system, suitable to the small business concern, and finally a single entry system maintained at the end of the accounting period to find out the just only the net profit or net loss. Next one, features of single entry system. Single entry system. Single entry system are accounts from incomplete records. Features, first point, it is a systematic recording of transaction. It is a systematic recording of transaction. Second point, it's only maintain or record. It's only maintain personal account. Third point, it is avoid real and nominal account. Real and nominal account. And finally, it is more suitable to the most suitable to the sole trading concern or partnership firm. Same exam point of view, any 2 features of single entry system in 2 marks. Simply, it is a systematic recording of transaction. Second one, only maintain the personal account. Third point, totally avoid real and nominal account. And finally, it is most suitable to the sole trading concern or partnership firm. That's it. Single entry system uses features. Next class will be single entry system and double entry system differences. Next, in this system, maintain the 2 types methods of accounts: statement of affairs or statement of profit or loss. Discuss to the next class.